Next question on your rectification of errors. A trial balance shows excess debit of rupees 3800 which was transferred to suspense account. Rectify the following errors and prepare suspense account. Now first tell me one thing. Are your concepts clear why suspense account is made in trial balance? See, trial balance help us find out the arithmetical accuracy, that is debit should be equal to credit in trial balance. But with the trial balance we prepare trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet, and that has to be done on a fixed date. Now that fixed date has arrived, we need to prepare the final accounts, but our trial balance is not tallying. That means that there is some mistake which we can't find out, and due to which trial balance either debit side is higher or credit side is higher. So in that case, we don't stop making the further final accounts. We just put the amount of difference in suspense account and we prepare our final accounts, and later on when we get to know what were those mistakes, we correct it by preparing a suspense account separately and then just recording the entries. Okay. So let's start with the solution. Wages paid rupees 16,000 to Pooja was debited to Pooja's account. So we will proper our method of right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry and at the end rectified entry. Now wages paid rupees 16,000 to whosoever you have paid, doesn't matter because cash is going out. Pooja's name not relevant. So your entry will be wages account debit to cash. पूजा का नाम आना ही नहीं चाहिए था एंट्री के अंदर, कैश जा रहे हैं ड्यू टू वेजेस, सो वेजेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश एंड व्हाट दे डिड debited to Pooja's account. So what they did is Pooja's account debit to cash. Credit side सही लिखा है. So to cash 1,000, that is here 16,000. 16,000. Now coming with the reverse entry, that is reverse of wrong. So cash account debit to Pooja 16,000 and 16,000. Okay. Now cancel whatever you can from comparing the right entry and the reverse entry. Okay. So wages is in debit, Pooja is in credit. Can't cancel. Cash here in debit and cash in credit. So cancel cash, cash, and the remaining entry will be wages account debit 16,000 to Pooja 16,000. Understood? Now next, goods purchased rupees 3,500 from Anuj were recorded as 35,000 in purchase book, means 10 added more. So again we'll follow our rule: right, wrong, reverse and rectified entry. Okay. So purchase goods from Anuj, your entry is purchase account debit to Anuj. That 3,500 is the correct figure. To Anuj 3,500 were recorded as 35,000 in purchase account. So the entry has been done as purchase account debit to Anuj 35,000. Now the reverse of your wrong entry. So Anuj account debit 35,000 to purchase. $35,000, okay? And the rectified part, see, compare the right and the reverse. Purchase debit, purchase credit, but credit side is higher. 35,000 minus 3,500 comes to 31,000. So since purchase side is higher, right, to purchase how much? 31,500. And Anuj account debit 35,000, Anuj account credit 3,500. So Anuj account net debit, Anuj account debit 35,000 minus 3,500, 31,500. Now see, in both these entries, suspense account you cannot see anywhere, suspense account. So these will not be taken to suspense account. Later on that will be done. First let's solve the full question. Now the third point. Rupees 1,600 paid for stationery was posted to credit side of stationery account. So follow the rule: right, wrong, reverse and rectified. Rupees 1,600 paid for stationery. So entry should be stationery account debit 1,600 to cash 1,600 as payment of stationery. Now what did you do actually? Was posted to credit side of stationery account, means जो stationery debit था वहाँ कुछ लिखा ही नहीं. So you will write dash account debit and posted to credit side of stationery. So जो debit होना था उसको किया to stationery account 1,600 and credit में cash तो पड़ा ही था. So to cash account 1,600. Understand again. Your correct entry was stationery account debit 1,600 to cash. Now here posting is wrong. Posted to credit side of stationery account means stationery जो debit होना चाहिए था वहाँ कुछ किया ही नहीं. So you are leaving it a blank account debit and stationery posted to credit side. So credit में लेकर आओ to stationery account 1,600 and cash was correctly done. So to cash 1,600 account. Posting में error है यहाँ पर. Okay. Now do the reverse. Reverse क्या करोगे? Cash account debit 1,600, stationery account debit 1,600 और ये dash को नीचे लेकर आओ to dash account. Now compare. Stationery is in debit, nothing to be cancelled in credit. Cash is in credit and cash is in debit, means you can cancel cash and cash. Cancel karo cash debit and cash credit. So what are you left with? See, stationery in debit 1,600, stationery in debit again 1,600, means 1,600 into 2 3,200 से stationery को करो debit. Okay, stationery account debit 3,200 to dash account and fill in the blanks. There, this dash is nothing but suspense account. ये नहीं मिला था तभी और इसलिए suspense में डाल दिया. तो अभी आप लिखेंगे to suspense account. Okay. Moving on to the next point. Purchase goods from Raju worth 8,700. Not posted to his account from purchase book. Okay, let's follow the steps. Right, wrong, reverse, rectified. Okay, right entry. Purchase goods from Raju. So your entry will be purchased account debit 8,700 to Raju 8,700. Purchase goods from Raju worth 8,700 not posted to his account from purchase book. मीन्स परचेज तो बराबर लिखा है, राजू के अकाउंट में पोस्ट ही नहीं किया. सो परचेज इज बराबर. सो राइट परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट 8,700 नॉट पोस्टेड टू राजूज अकाउंट. सो नॉट पोस्टेड तो आ जाएगा ब्लैंक टू डैश अकाउंट, नॉट पोस्टेड एट ऑल. ओके, नाउ डू द रिवर्स. सो डैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू purchase account 8,700. Try to cancel opposite with equal amounts. So see, dash cannot be cancelled with Raju. Purchase debit and purchase credit can be cancelled. So purchase 8,700 debit kato and purchase 8,700 credit kato. Now we are left with dash account debit 8,700 dash account debit 8,700 to Raju's account 8,700. So dash में आप क्या डालेंगे? This is suspense. So fourth point also finished. Move on. Concepts clear karo. It is all about concepts and debit and credit. As many questions you try to solve yourselves, more the perfection comes, more the confidence comes. Okay, point number 5. Freight paid rupees 8,300 was posted twice in freight account. So our method: right, wrong, reverse and rectified. फ्राइट पेड 8,300. एंट्री क्या करोगे? फ्राइट अकाउंट डेबिट, फ्राइट अकाउंट डेबिट 8,300 टू कैश. फ्राइट पेड है ना, सो कैश गोइंग आउट was posted twice in freight account. Means what they did? फ्राइट डेबिट 8,300 दो बार डाला तो फ्राइट डेबिट 8,300 अगेन. सो योर एंट्री, रॉन्ग एंट्री विल बी फ्राइट अकाउंट डेबिट 8,300 into 2 16,600. कैश को तो सही किया था. सो टू कैश 8,300 दैट वॉज करेक्टली रिकॉर्डेड. So wrong entry was this कि डेबिट किया फ्राइट को दो बार. Now reverse of it. So cash account debit 8,300 to freight. How much? 16,600. Compare the right and the reverse entry. Cancel whatever you can of opposite with equal amounts. So cash 8,300 in credit, cash 8,300 in debit, cancel. Cash and cash gets cancelled. Freight 8,300 debit and freight 16,600 means मेरे पास freight बच गया है 8,300 का in credit. So to freight. Freight remains with me 8,300, that is 16,600 minus 8,300, and I don't have anything in debit. So dash account debit means dash में क्या बोलेंगे? Fill in the blanks. Suspense account debit. Okay. Now question is same. Point number 6. Total of purchases book of 33,000 was posted to purchase account as 23,000. 10,000 कम posting में आया है. So again right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry and rectified entry. Total of purchase book 33,000. Okay, so total होना चाहिए था 33,000. परचेज बुक का बैलेंस होता है डेबिट एंड पोस्टेड टू परचेज अकाउंट एज 23,000. मीन्स पोस्टिंग में गलती है 10,000. मीन्स सिंपली आपको रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए क्या करना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग द एंट्रीज, परचेज अकाउंट जिसका डेबिट बैलेंस होता है इज लेस बाय 10,000, सो increase it by 10,000. So that will be purchase account debit 10,000. Credit किसको करोगे? To dash account. I don't know what to credit. So उस समय नहीं मिला था, सस्पेंस में डाल दिया. To suspense account. Now with finishing all the entries, we'll go and make the suspense account. See how. Second part, we'll make the suspense account here with the help of our rectified entries. So all the rectified entries 6 are being displayed. That will make easy how to plot the suspense account. Okay, let's start. See, the opening balance has to be put in. A trial balance shows excess debit of 3,800. So, where will you put that excess debit and what does that mean? Excess debit of 3,800 मतलब debit side का total 3,800 से ज़्यादा आ रहा था. Okay, if your credit side was 1 lakh, debit side was 1,03,800. So excess debit था तो वो आपने डेबिट साइड का एक्सेस डेबिट क्योंकि ज्यादा आ रहा था, क्रेडिट साइड में लिखा 3,800 so that both the sides match or total 1,03,800 comes on both the sides. So where will you keep the balance? Credit side. Okay. So buy balance carried down 3,800. Is your first entry. Now see, अब 6 हमने rectified entries है, उनका posting करते जाते हैं. Wages account debit to Pooja. So here there is no suspense account, so you don't have to take this entry because suspense account है ही नहीं, posting कहाँ करोगे? So this is okay. Anuj account debit to purchase. Here also no suspense, so just mark it. We need not take it in our suspense account. Now stationery account debit to suspense. Stationery account debit to suspense. So here the posting will be buy stationery 3,200. Then suspense account debit to Raju 8,700. So suspense account debit to Raju 8,700. So these two also done. Next, suspense account debit to freight. So suspense account debit to freight 8,300. Done. And the last, purchase account debit to suspense. So buy purchase 10,000 is the amount given. So let's take the total of both the sides, and if all entries are correct, the totals should match. 8,700 plus 8,300 comes 3,800 plus 3,200 plus 10,000 comes to, and this is how suspense account is tallied. Hope you have understood this solution. presented by A for accounts.com.